Outlier 9. Again, looking at the user guide, Outlier 9 is a unique way to analyze opportunities by looking at the market, the sector, and the stock in one view. We can see the Outlier 9 here in the top right of our screen. In this case, for ticker Tesla, we're seeing a 1 of 9. That means only one of the Outlier 9 signals is passing. In this case, it's order blocks. We know it's a pass because it's a green block. So this is telling us that for the market on March 17th, 2026, the market has a trend that's going the opposite direction that we're hoping for, as well as signal, as well as breadth. Now, in this case, we're hoping prices will increase. So these red indications are telling us that the price is likely to decrease or go sideways, we would say, consolidate. Same with sector. We have fear and greed, and we have breadth. The Outlier 9 is telling us that these do not pass. So again, all the sectors we would suspect are going to have a price that is not going to increase. For stock, in this case, ticker Tesla, the trend is red. Now we can verify that over here on the chart. The background is red. If you see a background that's red or white, it's indicating to you that the trend is not up. So the signal would not be a pass. Another way you can verify that is the EMA lines. The blue, which is the 10, is under the black, which is the 20. The price, which is at the bottom of this red candle, is below the 50, which is red. So again, the outlier trend template, the overlay, and the signal being red is all telling us that for ticker Tesla, the price is likely to continue to decline or possibly consolidate. Either way, it's not going to go up. Signal for the stock. Remember that you can get the market signal through stock details right here. You get the current signal as well as the start date. You also get the current active signal as well as the start date. If I scroll up just a little bit right here, active signal, it's different than the swing signal, we would say. If we're considering looking at active signals, we're going to need to select this dropdown and we're going to need to pick active signals. Otherwise, we're really just focused right here. The current signal, being a swing signal, is a sell. It started on December 29th. Fear and greed for the stock. Again, in this case, Tesla. Fear and greed is showing red, which means it's a fail. You can verify that right here in the Tesla fear and greed chart. Now, why is it red? Well, it's declining, right? If we look at this number just here, we want to know if it's increasing or decreasing. We would go back a couple of days. Let's go back 3 days. We see 31.14. Move over one day, 30. Another day, 29. Every one of those days is a smaller number, so it's decreasing. We can also visually see it. The bars are increasing in size, but the red, they are decreasing in value. So again, a red indication, a fail for stock. The green outlier blocks, though, that's a pass because we have no outlier blocks. We have no resistance in the area above the current price. So that would be a pass.